All right, guys, wanted to do a quick review here for you on this Countersink drill bit set that I got off of Amazon. Show you everything that it comes with and the quality of these. So first off, you do get this nice hard case. It's not a soft case or anything like that. So you can throw it in your toolbox. It's got a little clip on it, so it's not going to open up. And so you can just see, open it up right here. All of the actual drills are held in place. So it's not like they're just hanging around in there. So nice and tight. So everything you get starting on this side, this is all of the Countersink. This is what I really wanted here. So you can see there are 5 different drill bit size, all the way from the largest, a couple smaller, and then the smallest right here. And what's really cool about these, so they fit right into a normal drill. I'm going to show you that in a second. You don't need an adapter or anything. They fit right in. And the Countersink portion, which is right here, has a little adjuster. So that actual little Allen wrench, which it comes with, I'll show you that. There's a little Allen wrench to adjust it. You can loosen it and change the depth of it. So depending on how far into wood you're going, you can actually move this up to as far as you want it so that it's not drilling in super deep. And then to show you everything else you get here, so behind in this little bag, you do have that Allen wrench right there to adjust all of the Countersink, and you have some spacers. So these are 2 spacers that you can use so you don't over drill into wood if you want a certain height. So I thought that was cool. Everything else here, so you can see you actually get 2 Phillips heads, the extensions, that again just fit into a normal drill and they pop back into place. So you have those 2 right there. You have 2 drills that actually replace some of these if you wanted to. You can use them as drill sets. And you also do have this normal extension that I use with a lot of drills. So it's just got that little extension. So these things fit right in with magnets. And then lastly, you get these 2 different size plug cutters that cut holes into wood. Okay, so just to show you how it works, I already put this adapter in. And what's nice about this again is you can change them out really quickly instead of having to unscrew it from your drill. So you can just put the adapter in, it magnets in, and you can see I already adjusted the Countersink depth right there. I just moved it a little bit. So just to show you what it actually does in a piece of wood here. So cool. So you can see it drilled through immediately, and then it made that nice little screw hole, so the screw head's going to be nice and flush with the wood. And then to show you the plug adapter, I just changed it out. So you can see, and then you can pop that out if you wanted to with a, right there, just pops right out just like that. And now you have a perfect plug hole. So overall, super happy with the set. You cannot beat the quality for price. I've been looking for a Countersink set like this, and I'm really happy with them. So hope this helps anyone looking at these.